Guys, today I'm going to do a quick review on Terrarium TV install on your Fire Stick, and I'm going to show you how to install it as well. First of all, let's get into Terrarium TV. If you have the Terrarium TV on your phone, on your smartphone, you'll know that it basically works pretty much the same. So the first thing is in all the TV shows. If you don't like the TV show, you can basically search for it. Alright? And as well as the movie as well. So you click on here, you can click on the movies and get on one. Let's do this. Alright? You can go all the way to the top right hand corner and click the play button, or press and hold your play button on your Fire Stick remote and then release it, and it will come to this page right here. And then basically you just wait for the links, and you can wait a little further more for 1080p if there is one, and you basically click on one, click play, wait for it to load. So guys, give it a maybe 30 to 45 seconds for the movie to load, depending on your internet connection. And there you have it. It worked flawlessly. And so this does all the same with TV show and movie as well. And if you don't have the movies right here, so there's a lot of option. You can search the movie that you would like to watch, or you can just scroll all the way down and pick whichever movie you want to watch. So guys, alright, I hope you like this, and I definitely give a thumbs up, and I would definitely recommend you to install Terrarium TV on your Fire Stick, but much better alternative to Kodi on the Fire Stick. So there you have it, guys. Next, I'm gonna show you how to install Terrarium TV and the MX player on your Fire Stick. So let's get started. Let's go to I'm gonna click on the search button and then Downloader. There you go, click Downloader and then install it. Once installed, open it. And then now here, the URL, you put in get Droid admin. And so once you put down the link, it will download Droid admin. Click install it. And then click open. And then put in your code, which you are going to put 222222 until you can't put in anymore. Click next, click continue. And then there you have it. you have all these apps that you can install and play around, but today we're going to install the Terrarium TV, which is the latest version. There's no ads. It's 1.99 version. Click on it. The green bar will show it's downloading it. After it's done, click on it again. Scroll down, highlight install, click install. So guys, just give you a couple of more seconds, 30 to 45 seconds for it to install. And then once it's done, then we will have to go back to Dry Admin and install MX Player. Click done. All right, let's go back MX Player, install it. You need the player. You need to install the MX Player to be able to play Terrarium TV, the show that is in it, and the movie as well. Click done, and I'm gonna click the home button on my Fire Stick, and we're going to go to your apps and games, and then go all the way to see all, and then we're going to find Terrarium TV and move it to the front. Move to the front. All right, so there you have it. Let's click on it. So once you open it, okay, then click, since we install MX Player, we're going to click on this so that it will remember what